Well, welcome back to the repair shop. Today we're working on a Jet 1024 lathe, and we're going to make a part for one of our customers. He has a Model 1300 Winchester pump action shotgun that was taken apart a number of years ago, and somehow over the process of time, because it wasn't reassembled right away, some of those parts got misplaced, and so he brought it in to us to check the gun out, to replace the parts, to fix what needs to be fixed, and get it back into a functioning order. And so that's what we're going to do today. We ordered the extractor. The extractor was missing, and so we found an original extractor. We're going to replace that for him, but also along the way they lost this firing pin collar. Now obviously we have a piece of round bar stock that's in the lathe at this time, and it's mild steel. So I'm going to turn this outside diameter right here to 400 thousandths. The inside diameter, the hole that goes through the piece, remember it's like a washer, is 150 thousandths, and then the thickness is 70 thousandths. I have my parting tool in here parallel to the surface that's been faced off, and we're going to go ahead and cut that off at 70 thousandths. Now before I do that, I'm going to go ahead and take a file and just kind of chamfer this edge a little bit, and we'll do the same with the other side once we get it off. Just feeding this in by hand. So get that up to critical temperature pretty much all the way around. Now my vice grip's obviously acting sort of as a heat sink, and what we're going to do is get that up to temperature, and then we're going to go ahead and dip it in the case hardening compound, and then you want to go ahead and just kind of continue to heat that up to critical temperature for about 5 minutes. And what that does is it adds carbon to the steel. Go ahead and dip that in again. And put some more on it. Let that cook in. You want to use dark glasses when you do this, so you don't damage your eyes. Just harden this enough, maybe 2-3 thousandths hardness, not a lot. The firing pin is hard. This is the collar that goes around it. All it does is actually offer support, the firing pin. That's going to be good enough, really, for this part. So here we go. Okay. And that's how you case harden the part. Okay, I just want to show you the test for this. We did case harden it. I've got this on a file. Slides back and forth with zero resistance. It's just like glass. It just glances right off the file. It doesn't cut it whatsoever on both sides. So that's what case hardening does. And you can see, hopefully, the file didn't even really cut the surface at all. All you see is a little bit of the soot taken off of that. So there you have it.